nuts, it's cold.
Welcome. Let me know if you want anything. I think I got a clean mug around here somewhere.
I can't remember the last time it was this cold, and for this long.
I'm a little busy at the moment. I've got all sorts of errands to run.
I wish only to graduate and enroll with the Legion. My drums will lead our troops to victory.
You were supposed to be somewhere? I'm glad you agree. Besides, you'd be worthless to us dead. What? That's enough. Hmm?
Here, it's a full tin.
Revolutionary dead ends, a lot of you. Get the foreskin, quick, go, go, go!
I can be extraordinarily conciliatory. Ahem. Look,